I studied the use of a wireless cell phone that was being used by nurses in a hospital in Toronto, Canada. And it was to improve communication between the patients and nurses, as well as between nurses and other healthcare providers. So I looked at how it was affecting their workflow processes and work practices. It was one device that was connected. It was networked through 5 different systems within the hospital. Well, I actually worked at the hospital, at the organization, prior to starting the study. And I worked in the nursing informatics department at the hospital, and the nurses who were using the device would tell me about their difficulties in using the device, the challenges that they faced in trying to integrate it into their practice. And so I thought this is a great topic for a postgraduate degree, and then went from there. And then I looked at organizational documents, historical documents, such as staff surveys, patient satisfaction surveys, did observational studies, as well as focus groups with the nurses who use the devices, and interviews with the nurse managers and the technical team that were responsible for implementing and maintaining the system. Well, when I started looking at a university, I already had an idea what I was going to do study for a topic. And when it came to picking a university, I actually went to several universities in Canada initially, and it wasn't quite a great fit, not the fit I wanted, what I was looking for. Coming back as a more mature student, if you like. And so I started looking at universities within Australia, and I saw my supervisor to be, Evelyn Havenga, speak at a conference, and I was very impressed with her and went to speak with her afterwards and found out that she was a professor at CQU. So I kind of went in through the back door. So I found the supervisor I wanted and then heard about the program, and then it just was a fantastic fit for what I was doing, very supportive. So one of the most positive things about the research was the whole support system then that was in place at CQU that allowed me to do my research on site at a distance in Canada, and continuing through the program, having the access to the different databases through the library system, any kind of needs I had, whether it be a textbook that was specific to Australian research programs. It was very prompt that I was able to get hold of those textbooks through the university. It was just so supportive, and it was just a wonderful experience.